Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting by preparing both devices. First, confirm whether the speaker is Bluetooth, aux, or USB-C so you know which connection method to use. Power the speaker and enable pairing mode if Bluetooth. If using aux, plug the 3.5 cable firmly into the speaker and Chromebook or use a USB-C adapter. On your Chromebook, open Quick Settings and turn Bluetooth on. Make sure you're within a few meters for reliable discovery. Once done, go into Settings and open Bluetooth to scan for available devices. Tap the speaker name to pair and accept any PIN prompts. If you're using an aux cable or USB-C adapter, connect it now and make sure the connection is fully seated. A loose plug causes dropouts. After pairing, Chromebook may ask for audio permissions. Accept them so sound routes correctly. Make sure the speaker shows as connected in the Bluetooth list before moving on. You're almost done. Open Quick Settings and select Sound, then choose the speaker as your output device so audio will route there. Play a video or test tone and adjust both Chromebook and speaker volume to avoid clipping. If you don't hear anything, try turning Bluetooth off and on, unplugging and replugging the cable, or rebooting the Chromebook. One key troubleshooting tip is to remove the speaker from Bluetooth devices and pair again, which clears stale connections and usually fixes issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.